it's Tech Squad here, and I'm gonna do a video on my Nerf collection. I don't really have many Nerf guns. I only have 4 Nerf guns. My fourth one is my newest addition. Sorry about that, but that's my newest addition. I have a band-aid from this one because when I cocked it back, I pushed it forward, and for some reason it's not wanting to work. But anyways, I just got it today. You can push down into there to take the stock off. Take the extended barrel out. Take the extended barrel, attach it onto there. Let me raise it up some. Yeah, as you can see, this is my Nerf Hellfire. It's pretty good, still works, surprisingly. But anyways, with this one, you can attach that, and then you attach the stock. Like this. It's not that big. It is a little bit smaller than my BB gun. Pull it back. Single shot. You pull it back, and then you put the Nerf dart right in there. Slide it forward. That's how I did that to my finger. I slid it forward, and don't really shoot that far, but still pretty reliable. And you can take the stock off and that off. The extended barrel, and you can just slide that right in there. This is a pretty old Nerf gun. Just got it today, which is very unusual. And you can just put it together like that for small and compact. And it has a little clip to where you can put onto pants or wherever you want on clothing. I'll put that to the side. This is one of my first Nerf guns. Right here. Not necessarily that reliable, but it works as a starter. I have a double mag of double 12 mag. Here's where it ends, and just 2 mags connect to each other, fast mags. I have 4 smaller mags, and I have this Nerf Modulus gun. I will take it down to its bare set. There's the flashlight. Actually works. Put it down over there. Take that off. Put that over there. That's what it looks like now. And then you can take that off. You can strip it down pretty good to the barrel. My opinion, I really don't have that many darts. Just have this. Not that many. I'll show you guys what happened to my finger. I'll try to focus onto it. It's not really gonna work since I'm using my iPod. But for the most part, it's gone anyway, so I'll just keep the band-aid off. Which, this is all I have for Nerf darts. I have 1, 2, 3, or I'll count them by the types. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I only have 11 in-strike regular darts, which this is a in-strike if you haven't noticed. It's not modulus, it's a in-strike. It's the sharp fire. And this is the modulus Recon Mark II. And this is the Recon CS6. These two would have to be the oldest. This one came out in like 2014. This one came out before that, which it's currently 2017. And this one came out, I'm not entirely sure, like a little bit after this came out. It's pretty cool. Batteries go into the back right there. And this costs about $20. I bought this today for $10. Got this for about 20 or 30. And I got this from yard sale for cheap, for like $5. And it had a bunch of problems with it, and I fixed it up. So, works just fine now. So, I got a really good deal on that blaster. So, I believe that's about all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish counting off my darts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Alright, let me recount. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 suction cup darts, 11 regular in-strike darts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 modular darts. So, I'm still getting more Nerf. I'm gonna do another one once I get more Nerf guns, but probably will be after my birthday, which is next month, so should be getting some more later. So I'll see you guys next time, and bye.